Think Greece is just another beach vacation? Think again. Sure, the beaches are incredible, but Greece offers so much more. Discover shipwrecks teeming with marine life, explore ancient ruins where myths were born, or maybe even zipline over crystal-clear coves. Greece is an adventure waiting to be unlocked. So ditch the spreadsheets and get ready to experience the magic of this Mediterranean gem. Santorini, where romance meets luxury. Santorini is a postcard come to life, with its dramatic cliffs, whitewashed houses with blue domes, and breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea. Explore charming villages, relax on volcanic black sand beaches, or indulge in luxury at an infinity pool overlooking the caldera. Athens, a city steeped in mythology. Immerse yourself in the birthplace of democracy and mythology in Athens. Walk in the footsteps of philosophers and climb to the Acropolis to marvel at the Parthenon, a testament to Greece's rich history. Don't miss wandering through the charming Plaka neighborhood with its colorful shops and lively atmosphere. Mykonos, the island of jet-setters and windmills. Mykonos is a playground for the rich and famous, with a vibrant nightlife scene and a cosmopolitan atmosphere. Dance the night away in a beach club, explore the iconic windmills, or relax on pristine beaches with crystal-clear waters. Crete, a land of Minotaur myths and natural beauty. Hike through Samaria Gorge, Europe's longest gorge. Explore the Palace of Knossos, believed to be the mythical labyrinth of the Minotaur, and discover the island's rich history and stunning natural beauty. Naxos, the underrated Cycladic gem. Escape the crowds and discover the hidden gem of Naxos, known for its charming villages, traditional Greek cuisine, and beautiful beaches perfect for relaxation. This is just a taste of the magic Greece has to offer. Let me know in the comments below which Greek adventure excites you the most.